Hello viewers, I hope you guys are fine. In today's episode we will know about off-page SEO. So let's get started without delay. We discuss about on-page SEO in our last episode. Please, check the I button. What is off-page SEO? Search engine optimization is about working to make your site rank higher on search engines. In this process, you have to work on all aspects on the web, on your own site to make sure it can be indexed by the search engine as in-depth as possible, and on third-party websites to improve your site's value by being linked by another site in the same niche. The second process is widely known as off-page SEO. In other words, it is when you work on other sites to raise your site's ranking in search engine result pages. It may seem that it is all about generating a backlink to your site, but it is more than that. Importance of off-page SEO. The more sites that link to yours, the more link juice your link will have. And lastly, the anchor text that a link uses also plays a role in determining its ranking. Google's algorithm will look at the text of your page, and the anchor text of the link to see if it matches the text on the page. If it does, you'll get a higher ranking for that page. If it doesn't, you won't. Off-page SEO techniques. Article submission. Compared to guest posting, backlinking is more challenging because it takes time and requires a consistent effort. There are many ways to get backlinks to your site, but one of the most popular methods is through article marketing. Article marketing is a great way to generate quality backlinks to your site. It's also one of the easiest ways to build a solid foundation for your online presence. The goal of this post is to provide you with an overview of how to use article marketing to improve your search engine ranking. Blog marketing. A great way to gain traffic from other blogs is to comment on their posts. This is a great way to get a link to your site, which can help you rank higher in search engines. Make sure you leave a link to your site in your comment. Guest post. You can approach bloggers that write about the same topic as yours and send them a guest post that they can post on their blog. At the bottom of the post, the host blogger will add a paragraph to introduce you to the audience and link to your social media accounts and website. In the middle of the post, you can link to a couple of your relevant posts. Guest blogging is considered one of the most effective techniques for doing off-page SEO. Forum marketing. You can easily find forums on the internet that are about the same topic as your website. You can join these forums and communicate with people having discussions. You can leave answers to questions with a link to an article on your site that do link building. You should make sure that any comment you make is relevant and is not spam, though, as blatantly posting links will get you banned from the forum. Using social bookmarking. Submitting and bookmarking your blog or site on sites such as Skateboard, Metal Detector, etc., is called the social bookmarking technique of doing off-page SEO. This can do both. Create links to your site and bring a good amount of traffic to the site if the article you are bookmarking is interesting and engaging. So, we know about off-page SEO today. Hope you understand all the points. If any doubts, please comment below. For next video please subscribe our channel and press the bell button. Thank you.